Hello friends, this is Ritu Agrawal and I'm back with another painting on canvas art. So I'm going to make a background using ochre, yellow, grey, white and teal blue, and just watch the shading, and after that we will make some object on it to complete the art. So this is 10 by 12 canvas on which I'm going to work today. And like always I say, I'm using single brush. You can use 2-3 brushes to merge different colors, and in between I will be washing the brush, wiping the brush on the newspaper, and then merging the and blending the colors, which I am doing right now. Okay, so let's begin, and if you want to work along me, just enjoy the music and follow the process. So I like this kind of faded, worn out, or dusky abstract backgrounds. Just make sure you cover all the edges of the canvases so that it doesn't look incomplete from the sides. Once it is done, we'll let it dry for some time and then we begin drawing characters on the surface. So there sits my little birdie looking at her house, the bird house, on some dark tree. And we are almost done. So if you have not liked and subscribed so far my channel, please do it, and please keep pressing the button of subscribe so that you get notified of all the new videos that I keep posting. And I hope you enjoyed painting with me. If you were doing with me, otherwise you do let me know in comment section how was it and whether you enjoyed doing it or not. I highly recommend that you do try at your end. These are simple paintings which if you practice you will be able to get it very soon, the background, the blending, and it's really therapeutic. So I hope you enjoy painting, and don't forget to like and subscribe my video. So we are done here. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Thank you. Bye bye.